And Leadville traffic, Cessna Conard, November 7362 Mike. We're about 6 to the northwest. We're going to enter left downwind 433, full stop, Leadville.
Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, good RPMs. That's all the manifold pressure we're gonna get. Engine, screen. Oh, we're accelerating. Airspeed's alive. 50. 60. 70, 75, 80, 'Leadville traffic, Skyline 304 Delta Bravo, upwind, tree 4, Leadville.
And Leadville traffic, 62 Mike, entering left downwind at 12,434, Leadville.
Leadville traffic, Sky Lane, 304 Delta Bravo, left crosswind, tree 4, Leadville.
And Leadville traffic.
You're not climbing here.
Wind 434, Leadville.
So there's sync over there. We're not really climbing right now at 8. I gotta try 70. There it is.
Well, the wind's out of the north, so if we get closer up there, you're going to get downdraft, so...
Yeah, I'm starting downwind turn now. Leadville traffic, Skyline 4 Delta Bravo, left downwind, tree 4, climbing through 10,700, Leadville.
Leadville traffic, 60 Mike, left base, 34, full stop Leadville.